Well, as you can tell by the broken pipes, there's trouble in paradise. This is the 4-inch main line that we use to irrigate the pastures with, that supplies water pressure from our 10 horsepower irrigation pump.
Yeah. He's still smiling. He must not be working hard enough. This is what we do for fun.
On the farm.
On the farm. This is what we do for fun. Nobody's telling us what we got to do. We just do what needs to get done.
We enlisted Ray to come out and help us with the project.
I mean, the pipe's fixed. And now we're filling in the hole.
Well, now that we've got the hole backfilled and roughed in, we need to let it sit for 24 hours to get the cement to dry before we can turn it on and get the water through the wheel lines and starting to get water on the pastures. This is a riser that the water comes out of the 4.5 main line underground and sends it down the wheel line and through the sprinklers to irrigate the pastures. Works great when it works, but when you break something, then it's extra work. The main line goes all the way down the field along this fence line to water the two wheel lines, and this is the on-off switch to turn the 10 horse pump on. Underneath this metal roof, about 10 feet down, is the pump, and this is a 103-year-old hand-dug well, and we can get 300 gallons a minute out of the well for irrigation. So we're going to turn the pump on and see if the irrigation's working. Well, it's moving water, as you can see here through the line, but it takes a while to fill up the wheel lines, and since we have the main line open, it will take a while to fill it up, and when it actually fills up with water, the pressure will build, and as the pressure builds, our rubber gaskets in all the aluminum pipes, and the pressure will push the gaskets out and seal the openings and cut off the leaks. And there are vents. Okay, success. Push button rain, what we call it around here. Since we have 2 acres of lawn to mow, that's a lot of garden sprinklers to move around. And since we have access to this irrigation water, we go ahead and use it to water as much of the lawn as we can. It works excellent. Makes for nice green lawns in the summer. Well, whenever we're out and around the field, Scampy's real friendly. He likes to come check us out and see what we're doing. He's a pretty good pony and an excellent mountain horse. So if you like seeing what we're doing and checking on Scampy and the other animals, come on back and see what we're doing.